Hello, in this C programming video, we are going to cover the nested if statement. So the nested if statement, actually before that, just want to say, if you haven't watched my video on if statements, if else statements, and relation operators, highly recommend you do them because it's essentially building on top of that. Also, feel free to check out my new YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram shorts where I do programming tips and tricks and 60 seconds or less. No fluff, no memes, no jokes, actual programming tips. So feel free to check them out. I'm going to be doing them daily. So yeah, I look forward to you enjoying them. So okay, so let's get back to it. So let's remove this. Let's say if we want to check for the release date of Halo, which is today, we're going to say int day equals 8, because that's the date coming out. But let's just put this for now. Month equals 12, and int year equals 2021. And what we'll say is we'll call this, yeah, so these are like the current date, for example. So let's say if we say if year is greater than or equal to 2021, then printf Halo Infinite campaign is out. Okay, that's fine, but it comes out in December the 8th, not November the 8th. So that's technically incorrect. So what we want to do is if it's not 2021 or newer, then there's no point even doing the other checks. So in here, we'll say if, and we'll say if month is equal to 12. Yeah, if month is equal to 12. Actually, what we'll say is if year, so they will combine some if else statements here. If year is equal to 2021, then is month equal to 12, else it actually doesn't matter. Because actually what we'll do, we'll go even a step further, we'll change this up a bit. Say if year equals 2021, then we'll do some checks in there. Else, if it's beyond, unless they delay it, if it's beyond 2021, the game is out. And we'll say if month is equal to 12, and if day is greater than or equal to 8, then we'll run all this, or just run this right here. So give it a run. And because it's the 8th of November 2021 based on my parameters, it's not valid. Yes, the year is equal to 2021, but the month is not equal to 12. So if I say 12, for example, and let's say I'll put 7, so yesterday's date, it's still not valid. If I put tomorrow's date, it's valid, and it says Halo Infinite campaign is out. And yes, if you're asking, can you put lines of code here? You can. Can you put lines of code here? Yes, you can. And if you're asking, can you put them at the end of these? You can as well. That's perfectly logical. Depending on what you're doing, you may want that. So that's nested if statements. Great way of doing multiple checks. And sometimes you might say, if the year is equal to 2021, you want certain, let's say, certain pieces of code to be done. But then if the month is equal to 12, you might want more, code to be run. It might not be either this or that, or if or else, sort of thing. It might be if this, okay. If also this, then do this as well. So that's it. That's how you do nested if statements. Thanks for watching. Feel free to join the Discord group. There's a link in the description. Hopefully you enjoy the new YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram shorts on programming tips and tricks. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.